Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stabilize your video here in CapCut PC. So let's begin. So from here, what we're gonna do is first import our clip right here. And when we play this clip, we can see that it's quite shaky. And now to solve this or to fix this problem right here, all you have to do basically is just simply select your video right here and go into your video and click on the basic. Right here, basic tab, and then you want to scroll down until you see stabilize. You want to click on it right here, turn it on, or check mark. Make sure that the check mark is right here. And you can see the levels right here. You can have it to be recommended cut, minimum cut, or most stable. So the most stable one would most likely zoom in your footage in so that CapCut would be able to stabilize it really good. But in this case, we'll just be going with recommended right here, and once you're done, then you can now see that it's now stabilized. When you can see the stabilize tag right here, so you can also change it right here, so we can see it now. As you can see, the footage is much more stabilized now. It's not as shaky as it has been, and we can also change the level of the stabilization, so we can go for most stable. As you can see, it's zoomed in even more, and when we go, as you can see, it's barely moving at all. It's now very much stabilized, and that is basically how you do this. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.